What actually is an algebraic expression, and why do letters even show up in maths? An algebraic expression is just a mix of numbers, letters, and operations like plus or minus. The letters are called variables because they can stand for different values. So x could be 2 or 10 or even -3. It just represents an unknown number. The number stuck to the letter is called the coefficient, like the 4 in 4x. And a number on its own, with no letter, is called a constant. Each separate chunk of the expression split by plus or minus is called a term. So 4x plus 5 has two terms, 4x and 5. Unlike an equation, an expression has no equals sign. It's not solved, just simplified. Simplifying means tidying up an expression so it's shorter and easier to work with. The main way we simplify is by collecting what are called like terms. Like terms have exactly the same letter raised to the same power. For example, 3x and 5x are like terms because they both just have x. But 3x and 3y are not like terms because the letters are different. And 3x and 3x squared aren't like terms either, since the powers don't match. Let's simplify our first expression, 3x plus 5x. Since both terms have x, we just add the coefficients together. 3 plus 5 equals 8, so 3x plus 5x simplifies to 8x. Let's try a trickier one, 7y minus 2y plus 4. First, spot the like terms. Here that's 7y and 2y. 7 minus 2 is 5, so those two combine to make 5y. The 4 has no matching term, so it just stays on its own. That gives us a final simplified answer of 5y plus 4. Now let's mix two different letters, 2a plus 3b plus 4a minus b. Group the a terms together first. 2a and 4a make 6a. Then group the b terms, 3b and -b make 2b. So the whole expression simplifies neatly to 6a plus 2b. Notice we never mix a's and b's together. They always stay separate. A common mistake is combining terms that look similar but aren't actually alike. Always check the letter and the power match exactly before you add anything. A good habit is underlining or color-coding each type of term before simplifying. This stops you mixing things up, especially in longer, messier expressions. So remember, find like terms, combine their coefficients, and leave everything else alone. Next time, we'll look at how to expand brackets in algebraic expressions.